Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today we will discuss about the topic environment. Last class regarding the topic environment, we have discussed about what is environment, what is the importance of environment, and which are the components of environment, and all those things about ecosystem. All these things we have discussed. Okay. Now, in this class, we will do exercises. So this class for meant for next week, that is 18/1/21 for class 7. We will do exercises. So related to environment, I have given here 5 questions and 4 MCQ and 4 maximum for that. So children, please all of you make a note. First exercise we will do, answer the following questions. Please all of you take out your notebook, pen and write down the exercises. I will dictate. Come on, hurry up. All of you, last bench. Take the books, keep reading, chapter environment. Answer the following questions. The topic environment, exercises. Keep reading. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Question number 1. What is an ecosystem? Question number 1. What is an ecosystem? Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write down what is an ecosystem? What is an ecosystem? Write down, children. Answer. The relation between the living organisms. The relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the living organisms and the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings. Relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Relation between their organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Clear, children? Question number 1. What is an ecosystem? Answer. The relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Clear? Next. Question number 2. What do you mean by natural environment? What do you mean by natural environment? What do you mean by natural environment. Natural environment. What do you mean by natural environment? Question number 2. Answer: land, water, and land, water, air, plants and animals, land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. So what do you mean by natural environment, children? So natural environment means land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. For natural environment, we need the components of land, water, air is must. Without these three components, plants and animals cannot exist on the earth's surface. That is what we call as a natural environment. So natural environment means land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Clear? Next. Question number 3. Second one is natural environment over. Question number 3. Which are the major components of the environment? Question number 3. Which are the major components of environment? Question number 3. Which are the major components of environment? Answer. Question number 3. Answer. The major components of the environment. The major components of environment are: number 1, natural environment. Number 1 is natural environment. Number 1, natural environment. Number 2, human-made environment. Number 2, human-made environment. Human-made environment. Number 3, human environment. Number 3 is human environment. So these are the 3 components of the environment. Number 1 is natural environment. Number 2 is human-made environment. Third one is human environment. So there are 3 components of the environment. One is natural, one is human, third one is human-made environment. Clear? That is question number 3. Question number 3 is, which are the major components of environment? Question mark. The 3 major components of environment are: number 1 is natural environment. Number 2 is human-made environment. Human-made environment. And third one is human environment. Human environment. Next, question number 4. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. Give 4 examples of. Question number 4. Give 4 examples of. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. Answer. Keep reading, children. 4 examples of human-made environment are 4 examples of. 4 examples of human-made environment. Human-made. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. Answer. Examples of human-made environment are. 4 examples of human-made environment are as follows. 4 examples of human-made environment are as follows. Number 1. Buildings. Number 1 is buildings. Number 2, bridges. Number 1 is buildings. Number 2, bridges. Number 3, roads. Number 3, roads. Number 4, monuments. Number 1 is buildings. Number 2, bridges. Number 3, roads. And fourth one is monuments. These are the 4 best examples for human-made environment. The question number 4 is, they ask, give 4 best examples of human-made environment. 4 examples of the human-made environment are as follows. Number 1 is buildings. Number 2 is bridges. Number 3, roads. And fourth one is monuments. Fourth one is monuments. M-O-N-U-M-E-N-T-S. Monuments. Clear? Give 4 best examples of human-made environment. Next one is, what is lithosphere? What is lithosphere? L-I-T-H-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Answer. Lithosphere is the solid crust. Lithosphere is a solid crust. Lithosphere is a solid crust. Lithosphere is a solid crust. C-R-U-S-T, crust. Or top layer of the earth surface. Or top layer of the Earth's surface. Lithosphere is a solid crust, 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 or the topmost layer of the Earth's surface. That is what lithosphere. Lithosphere is the topmost layer of the Earth's surface, or you can write down lithosphere is a solid earth crust. Solid crust. You can write down any definition you can write. Lithosphere is a solid crust, or lithosphere is the topmost layer of the Earth's surface. Okay, whichever is convenient for you, you can write down that. There is no hard and rule. Top layer of the Earth's surface or lithosphere is a solid crust. Clear? Right. Lithosphere is over. Next one. Next question is, which are the two major components of biotic environment? Which are the two major components of the question? Write down. Sixth question. Which are the two major components? Which are the two major components of biotic environment? Biotic environment. Which are the two major components of the biotic environment? Answer. Plants and animals. Answer write down. Plants and animals. Plants and animals are the two major components. Plants and animals are the two major components. Of plants and animals are the two major components of biotic environment. Plants and animals are the two components of biotic environment. Clear, children? So, major components of biotic environment are plants and animals. Right? The next question is, what is biosphere? Last one. What is biosphere? What is biosphere? BIOSPHERE. What is biosphere? Answer reader. What is biosphere? Answer. Plants and animals. Plants and animals. Plants and animals. Plants and animals kingdom. Plant and animal kingdom. Together. Plant and animal kingdom. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere. Make biosphere. Biosphere or the living world. The living world. Or what is biosphere? The plants and plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or living world. That is there are 6 questions as given in this topic. That is environment. Whatever we have discussed in the topic last class. So here exercises there are 6 questions. Just now I had dictated. What is environment? What are the human environment? Which are the examples of human-made environment? What is lithosphere? Give 4 examples of human-made environment. And what is biosphere? And give 2 important components of biotic environment. Clear? These are the how many questions? 6 questions. Clear? Is it clear? All of you written? Yes. Here the total 6 questions are there. Then we will see about again match day for it. Sorry, multiple choice. We will see.